Hey, time for an Amazon review. We've got our CV axle, tie rod boot, clamp. This style locks in, this tool tightens it up. So it came with a bunch of small and large ones, and we need a medium one to fit this tie rod boot. That's okay, I'll order a bag of them in. And it's all right to use a bigger one. We're gonna put it around the tie rod boot. Just did some inner and outer tie rods on this. And we want to get it tight and figure out where about we should be. So we want to cut this guy because we're using one that's way too long. We'll get the right size one of these days. I'm gonna cut it right about there. That's how much extra length I have. It'll still work. Still plenty of holes for the teeth to bite into. You just gotta clip those clippies in there. Then pull it down. Now they're locked in. And then the two flat spots go on the two flat sides of the clamp. And we give it a little squeeze. We want to be all the way up against it. There we go. We got a good bite. Nice and slow and steady. And it'll pull it as tight as you want. There we go. Snap that claw back in there. I was a little unsteady while I was pinching, so the last one came out of the ear a little bit. I snapped it back in, no big deal. And we can get that all the way tight. You want a nice tight bite on tie rod boots. No way that's coming off. Yep, because there's a lip here. There we go. That's how you use this tool. Chink.